Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into Steam and making sure Steam Guard two-factor is active, because trade hold removal depends on account security. Once logged in, open your inventory and go to Trade Offers to view pending and sent offers. This is where you'll act. Make sure you have recent purchases or a verified payment method visible, since Steam uses those to qualify you. If you meet those prerequisites, proceed to the specific trade offer you want to cancel or modify. Don't wait, start now. You now locate the specific trade offer and decide whether to cancel or edit it. You do this because modifying items can remove the hold trigger. Once you choose Edit, remove items that were recently purchased or gifted. Steam places holds when items are new or not tradable. Then save and re-offer. The system recalculates the hold. If canceling, confirm cancellation to return items to your inventory immediately. Make sure to check the timestamp and purchase history so you understand why the hold appeared. Finish by confirming on your inventory and trade offers page that items were returned or updated. You want visual verification because Steam may not always push instant notifications. Once done, watch for a Steam email confirming cancellation or changes. Also make sure your mobile authenticator remains active, because disabling it can reinstate holds. If the hold persists despite edits and verified purchases, contact Steam support with screenshots and a clear timeline. This helps them review and usually resolve the situation more quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.